Welcome to another book review. In today's hike, we go deep into the woods. We enter the existential realm of The Stranger by Albert Camus, a novel that challenges conventions and delves into the depths of human psyche. Penned by the enigmatic French-Algerian author and philosopher Albert Camus, The Stranger is a masterpiece that continues to captivate readers with its profound exploration of the absurdity of life. It's known as one of the most profound short classics that exists today, and won Camus a Nobel Prize in 1957. One of the best known novels of the 20th century, this book is only 76 pages. I would put it up there with The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, and Dostoevsky's The Idiot, among other absolute greats. But don't worry, I will give nothing away in terms of the plot that will affect your reading satisfaction. We will touch on the important aspects and leave out most of the plot here in this review. Well then, let's get started. Like most great novels, it has a gripping first line. Mother died today. Camus writes, putting us instantly in the thick of things. We are directly into the action. The lead character in the novel, Marceau, is grappling with an inherent lack of reason and purpose in things. He's a detached and apathetic French-Algerian guy who becomes embroiled in a senseless murder, leading to his trial and eventually an existential reckoning of sorts. The novel peers into the mind of this man, seemingly estranged from societal norms and emotions, and explores the indifference of the universe. The blistering Algerian sun is kind of a constant background in this novel, and it serves as a metaphor for the searing existential questions that Marceau grapples with throughout the narrative. The trial of Marceau is a pivotal moment in the story, highlighting society's expectations and the consequences of Marceau's indifference to conventional definitions of what morality is. We often recommend The Stranger to our students because it prompts discussions on these topics like existentialism, absurdism, and the nature of human existence. All of this can be of huge help when you attempt your ethics questions or philosophical essays. Camus' writing, notes, and essays have mostly revolved around this fundamental question: what is the meaning of existence? He thought that life had no meaning, that nothing exists that could ever be a source of meaning, and hence there is something deeply absurd about the human quest to find meaning. Why search for something that does not exist? Appropriately, his philosophy was, or his philosophical view was called absurdism. He has further elaborated this in his other works, especially The Myth of Sisyphus. The Stranger presents readers with questions of whether Marceau is a symbol of existential freedom or merely a reflection of society's outcasts. Its real power is that it lingers in your mind long after the final page, makes you want to go back and read it again and savor its real meaning. There is some irony in that, searching for meaning in a book about absurdism. Well, it's clearly a book that challenges your beliefs. No doubts about that. In conclusion, The Stranger by Camus is a thought-provoking masterpiece that challenges the boundaries of conventional literature. It's a must-read for those willing to embark on an introspective journey into the heart of existentialism. So if you're ready to explore the meaning of the absurd, pick up a copy of The Stranger and prepare to confront the meaninglessness of life itself.